What's up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And today we're going to do a review of the Harden Volume 2 Adidas Imma Be a Star. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because the moment we hit 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away a brand new Adidas Pro Fear. And we are actually in the middle of our giveaway for the Adidas D-Rup. So make sure that you guys are subscribed so you can be part of that. I'll put a link down below so you guys can see how you can join that giveaway. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is the Harden Volume 2 Imma Be a Star. That's what it's called. And this is probably one of the most versatile basketball sneakers that you guys can get today. Now take note, this isn't going to be a basketball performance review. This is more of a lifestyle wear kind of review. If you guys are looking for a basketball performance review of the Harden Volume 2, I'll put a link down below of a review that I saw that was really good. Let's start with the design and the overall look. And this is the reason why I picked up this particular model of the Harden 2s. As you guys know, the Harden 2s have been out for quite a while now with different colorways, but most of them have been just really too crazy, or the ones that I actually like, they didn't end up getting my size. So from the Traffic Jam to the Cement to the California Dreaming to the red one, all of them were just crazy. This one though is probably one of the cleanest and one of the most versatile Harden shoes that you can get. And it's one of the nicest lifestyle versions or lifestyle colorways of the shoe. It's dominantly black with the upper. As you guys can see here, you have that mesh tongue with the golden Harden logo over here, with the golden 3 stripes over here on the side. And then you have that reinforced upper here at this part, and then you have the unique lacing system of the Harden Volume 2 brand, as well as a golden Adidas logo here at the back. At the bottom, or first let's start with the midsole, you have that very thick and very generous amount of boost midsole, and then at the bottom you have that really random looking, almost alien looking outsole of the Harden Volume 2. So overall, it's a very clean shoe. It's a very nice design. It's something that you can rock with pretty much anything that you want to wear because of the overall color combination and the color blocking. Now, the thing that probably stands out the most of the Harden Volume 2, apart from the crazy outsole over here, is that thick amount of boost that you guys have here on the side. So it's very visible on both sides. It's that thick white chunk, which reminds me of the amount of boost that the EQT Boost has, which is probably the thickest amount of the boost at the heel part. Anyway, now this is originally meant to be a basketball shoe, and while I haven't used it to play basketball, mostly for walking here in New Zealand, it turns out that this is actually one heck of a comfortable sneaker, mainly because of that giant amount of boost that you have here on the midsole. And I think that's one of the main selling points of this shoe. It's one of the best cushioning performance shoes that you can get today, especially if you are into playing basketball. Now, apart from the boost, you also have this unique lacing system here on the upper, on the heel cage. Now, the nice thing about this particular part of the shoe is that you can adjust the lacing depending on your type of feet. So I have mine so that it's a bit more relaxed, which is perfect for people like me who have wide feet. If you want it a little bit more tight, you can actually adjust it to suit your particular foot form. Now, another thing that I noticed is that this shoe is a little more breathable compared to other basketball shoes. I felt it when I was walking all around town. I clocked in probably more than 30,000 steps already on this shoe just in the last few days alone. And the reason being, I think, is that the mesh tongue part is a little more breathable compared to a lot of other shoes basketball shoes that you see out in the market today. So again, that makes this a really nice versatile shoe, which allows it to cross over from basketball to lifestyle and to just everyday wear, which I think is fantastic, because when it comes to investing your money in sneakers, you get to want to have the most use cases out of it possible, and you get that one with the Harden Volume 2s. How does it feel on feet? It's very snug. It's not as loose as it may look like. The entrance is actually very narrow. I actually went a whole size up on this one. I'm a natural size 12. I took size 13 for the Harden Volume 2s. But overall, it feels really good on feet. It's comfortable, again, because of the generous boost midsole. You have the breathability thanks to the mesh tongue. You have that great front foot support, toe support, because of this reinforced area here at the front. And overall, it's a really, great shoe. Perhaps the only downside that I see with it is that it's a bit heavy. and you feel it when you're walking. Kind of reminds you of the adidas Pro Fear. Like if you wear it for a couple of hours and if you walk on it for a couple of hours, you start to feel the foot fatigue. Now, the great thing about this one though is that the boost really counteracts the foot fatigue and the foot fatigue and the overall weight of the shoe. So while it feels heavy in hand, when you start walking in it, when you start breaking it in, when you start running in it, or just walking in it, then you really start to feel that it's actually far more comfortable than it feels when you're holding it in your hand. One more thing, you might want to wear really high socks with this one, or at least above ankle length, because this thing at the entrance of the shoe, this plastic thing, can be very irritable to the skin, at least to my skin. So I really cannot wear low socks with this shoe. Have to wear it with high socks so that this doesn't get in contact with the skin on my ankle. So do I recommend the Harden Volume 2 Imma Be a Star from Adidas? Yes. It's a versatile shoe. It's a great shoe. You can use it for basketball. You can use it for working out. You can use it for walking. Perhaps the only use case that I haven't tested really to give it a good, 100% thumbs up is running. I really don't think this is a running shoe, but if you can play basketball with it, you can probably do a quick run on it in the treadmill or something. But anyway, I love how versatile it is because of the performance side, the comfort side, and obviously the lifestyle side because of the really nice, fresh and clean design that it brings to the table. This one sells for a little over 7,000 pesos over at Titan. If you are a Titan Elite member, you can actually get it for less than 10%, which I did. I got it for around 6,500, 6,600 pesos, which in my head is a great deal already for the overall shoe that you get. Again, it's really versatile and it's a great buy in my book. And that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. We do have a few more videos coming up, so make sure that you are subscribed and that you follow me on Instagram. I'd like to thank everybody and welcome everybody who are new subscribers to the channel. I saw that the subscriber count has been really going up very quickly. So I just want to welcome all of you guys and thank you for subscribing to this channel. And that's it for now. Hope you guys are having a great week. Peace. God bless.